हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, सो लेट्स गो। ये रहा आपका पैसा। Here is your money. Here is your money. अपने पैसे गिन लो। Count your money. Count your money. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते। Money doesn't grow on tree. Money doesn't grow on tree. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते। You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. आप इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. बात को मत बढ़ाओ. Don't stretch the matter. Don't stretch the matter. क्या मामला है? What's the matter? What's the matter? मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ. I am coming from Delhi. I am coming from Delhi. छुपाओ मत. Don't hide. Don't hide. खुलकर बोलो. Speak frankly. Speak frankly. मुझसे एक गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. ये मेरी गलती है. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. गलतियों से सीखो. Learn from your mistake. Learn from your mistake. ये बेकार है. It's useless. It's useless. दरवाज़ा बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. दरवाज़ा खोलो. Open the door. Open the door. दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is on the door? Who is on the door? क्या तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? Don't you feel shy? Don't you feel shy? रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.